Java script example. Okay, small basic example I'm telling here. So here I'm using just a form tag. I'm using here H2, HTML, JavaScript. Okay, so here I'm using form tag, and here I'm using inside the form tag ID. That ID will be I'm using that will be the form my form. Okay, my form. Here the label for input. Okay, input text, and here enter. I'm taking the label name. Enter your name. Okay, so I'm going to executing this. So see here only the name is printed here. So I need a label for I need a input text box. For that I'm using the input tag. Okay, input. So the type will be I'm using text. So why the text I'm using here means it will accepted the number as well special characters and the alphabetical orders also is using. So here I'm using input I'm using here. So ID. So for that we don't have the ending tag for input. Here it will be printed the text box. So see here this will be the text box. For that we need the next line. That box will be you can use that BR tag that will be print breaks the line and it will be printed the next line as well. See here. Okay. I'm using I'm using here the button. Directly I'm using the tag that will be the button tag. So the type will be here button. Okay. So on click means what here the event functions I'm going to use on click. Okay. So here the function name I'm writing here. The function name I'm using show greeting. Okay. I'm writing show greeting. The function name I'm using here. So here say hello. Okay. Say hello. So this is completed and output for area of the JavaScript I need to print there. So here I'm using div and div it is nothing but a container, right? So here I'm using the div ID as well using the output. Here why I'm using ID means the unique values I need to take. Okay, I don't want to take the I don't want to use the recode again. So that's why I'm taking the output as well. Sorry, unique name. So I'm using here the script tag. What is the script tag means? In the script tag we are using the JavaScript. Okay, in the JavaScript I'm using the function here. The function and the function name here I have defined using show greeting, right? So here I'm taking the show greetings. Okay. So here the var it is nothing but sorry variable. Here we have the three types of variables. One is var, let, const. So var is a scope and it will be reusable. And here I'm taking the input value, variable name, input element, input element is equal to document dot get element by ID. I'm getting the ID here. ID, I'm getting what the ID I'm taking input text. So here input text ID. So that's why I'm using this name and event performed. Okay, so here var name is equal to input input element dot value. Okay, so here var output element input and element I have taken and output element I'm going to taking here. Okay, output element document dot get by element by id. So what the id we have taken, that will be we have taken output for output, right? So corresponding one I'm taking here. So directly you can take. So next, the print the message, right? For that inner HTML we need to use. So output here dot inner HTML for printing the message. Okay. So directly I'm taking here in the paragraph hello. Okay. So name. So how it will be, we will see once. So it is printed. So here I'm going to give hi. Oh, it wants to say hello, right? Name and the flow. So moment, I have mistaken here something. Put put text. I need to use here. Hmm. So here output, okay. Greetings, okay. Why it is not coming? iPhone, enter, put text, ID in button, type and click greeting, say hello, put element, put element of dot get by ID, input, get by ID, out, okay, what is not? Yeah, see here, say hello. You're giving hi here. It is saying hello. Okay, hi, hi, it is saying like that. Okay. So how the way we need to create the output, and I need to apply the CSS over here using output only for output I will use, and using style tag here. Okay. Directly you can use the style directly you can use hash output, use margin top means will move besides of the top, and here 20 pixel the default size I'm taking here, and the border I'm taking solid. Wait a second, border, right? Border, I'm taking the border 1 pixel solid. Already black is there. I will take the name and color, that will be the red. Okay. And next padding 10 pixels. Okay. See here. Here I'm going to give hi, so it will be printed hello.